Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the accounts you'll link. Sign into the Xbox/Microsoft account that has Game Pass and open the Xbox app or Microsoft Store. Make sure your Riot account email is verified because linking needs a confirmed identity. This prevents region or ownership conflicts. Once done, launch the Xbox app and search for Valorant or find the Game Pass catalog so you can claim or install the game. This immediate setup speeds the linking flow and avoids later account mismatches. Next, you claim and connect Valorant through the Game Pass flow. Select Install or Play from the Game Pass catalog in the Xbox app. When Valorant prompts for sign-in, pick Sign In with Microsoft instead of a separate Riot password. This routes the authorization to your Xbox account. Authorize Riot Games to access necessary data and explicitly confirm which accounts to link when the prompt appears. Doing this links your entitlement to Riot, so the game recognizes your Game Pass ownership and enables access immediately. Finish by completing the install and launching Valorant. The game will detect the linked Microsoft entitlement and let you play. If you hit an error, sign out of both the Xbox app and your Riot account, then sign back in and repeat the link sequence. This clears token issues. Make sure subscription is active, regions match, and Riot has permission to view Microsoft data. If problems persist, revoke and reauthorize the Microsoft link inside Riot account settings to force a fresh connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.